Dallas, has hail hit your car? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Welcome to Texas Dent Company, where Dallas goes for hail repair. With our fleet of over 20 brand new rental vehicles, in-house painters, quick repair times, and efficient cycle time, you can trust that your car is in the best hands. We work directly with your insurance company, making the process stress-free and easy. Texas Dent Company is proud to serve the Dallas area. Our skilled team of PDR technicians offers top-notch hail damage removal services. Our technicians carefully fix every hail dent, using advanced tools and techniques, making your car look as good as new. Ready for quality hail repair you can trust? Visit our website at texasdentcompany.com or call 469-888-8260 to schedule an appointment today. We know how frustrating hail damage can be. That's why Texas Dent Company is committed to providing your car with the best possible hail repair service. Don't just take our word for it. Check out our Google Business and Facebook page for countless positive reviews and see why our clients in Dallas trust us with their vehicles. Our gallery and Instagram pages showcase our work, so take a look and see the quality for yourself. We stand by our work and warranty it for life, aside from future hailstorms. For quality hail repair services, contact Texas Dent Company today. Join the thousands of satisfied customers in Dallas who have chosen Texas Dent Company for their hail repair needs. Visit our website or call us now, 469-888-8260 again. That's 469-888-8260 to get started today. Texas Dent Company, where Dallas goes for hail repair.